Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I got something a little different. I've got two mystery boxes. They are mystery boxes from a company that I believe has been around for a while that does bath products. From what I have seen online, everybody loves these products. But I have just been hesitant to click that subscribe button. I don't know why, considering how much I love the bathtub. I buy all these other subscription boxes, but I don't know why. I can't explain it. But last month, I believe is what it was, or maybe it was late April, Bath Bevy came out with two mystery boxes, and I bought them. I bought a tubless box, which I believe the tubless mystery box was $29. And then there was just a Bath BOMBS box, mystery box. So that latter one was $28, and then I paid shipping. I think I paid shipping. But regardless, it was a good deal. So that is what I have today, and I'm going to share with you guys these mystery boxes, and then that will help me determine, do I actually want to sign up for this subscription? Because like I said, you guys, other unboxers out here on YouTube, they get the box and they love the box. So let me try. I'm opening up the tubless box first. I think she might have a shower box and a tub box, if I'm remembering correctly. But I could be wrong there. But what I am opening here is the tublets. Okay. I like the little sparkly paper. Ooh, okay. First item, you guys, there's a lot of stuff in here. First item is body wash Bougie. The scent is bergamot, lemon, orange, matcha, black tea, and sandalwood. All right, let me try. Oh, that smells good, you guys. That smells really good. And I could not tell you what it smells like. That's good. It's not citrusy. It just has a nice smell. Okay, so apparently she must do things other than bath products, because we got a 4-pack of tea lights, Love and Orchids, a Valley candle product. See? Those smell good. Smells like tanning lotion, which I love that. Reminds me of vacations. Okay, we got more in here, you guys. Pineapple upside down cake whipped soap scrub. All right. Sealed. Oh my gosh. Do you guys know pineapple Dole Whip? That's what this smells like. Exactly like pineapple Dole Whip. It smells delicious. And I'm going to see what the consistency is nice. Even though it's a soap scrub, it's soft and smooth. You guys, I can see what everybody else has been talking about. Next is Mandarin Lime Whipped Soap. I bet this is going to smell delicious too. And I love that she's got seals. Okay. I like that as well. It's not as strong as it's soft, you guys. It's soft, smooth, kind of creamy. That's nice. I thought it was going to like punch me in the face, lime, and it didn't, and that's okay. Guys, we got more. I believe This is the box that one of the other influencers raves about their shower steamers. They threw into. These are peppermint eucalyptus shower steamers. And I can smell, well, not as much as I thought. I could smell a little bit, and they smell good. So they're in a sealed pack, and they're vacuum sealed, even individually. I cannot wait to try those, you guys. And we are to our last item, but you guys, this one, what did I say this one was? $29. Wow. So, isn't that cute? Mountain Madness Soap Company. Is it Coeur d'Alene, Idaho? The scent is Tree Hugger. It is handmade soap for head to toe, made from scratch in small batches. Sapan Fine, sustainable palm oil, coconut oil, olive oil, natural colorants, essential or plant-based fragrance oil, may contain herbs or natural additives. And their website is mountainmadnesssoap.com. Isn't that pretty? Now, I will say, I am not a huge fan of these types of soaps. But I know someone who is, and they're going to love receiving it. It's not as strong as what I thought. I just noticed this. Those are trees. It's not as strong. But you don't know until you actually start using it. But that's a very nice bar soap, you guys. I'm beyond happy. Just based on this box, I think I've got another subscription. Okay, let's open the other one. So this one is the BB box. And it is heavy also. And it looks like she has put each of these in its own box. And I know there is another company out there who makes these. They put them in bags, I believe, for like environmental sake, but you get a mess all over. So I'm liking this. The first one is oatmeal, milk, and honey. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at the care. The care. And it's even vacuum wrapped. Smells good. Oh, that smells good. That smells good. The next one is vanilla caramel. That one smells good too, you guys. Champagne lavender. You guys, my thing is now going to be, do I get both the boxes? Do I get one of the boxes? Do I get every other month? I don't know. So these have got some iridescent sheen to them. This one doesn't smell as what I was expecting. I definitely don't smell lavender. At least not yet. But you gotta put them in the bathtub, you guys. You gotta put them in and let them diffuse. Next, cotton candy. So again, this box, you guys, was $28. That is really good for 6 of these. Ooh, and it smells like candy. Liking it. Next one, raspberry lemonade. Ooh, this is a little different because this one is a cup cake. I don't know if it necessarily smells like raspberry lemonade, but it does smell something like fruity wise. Liking it. All right, we're already to our last one. The next one is Polar Plunge Ice Cold Peppermint. Ooh, yeah, that one smells good. That one is just popping peppermint. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. This was great. I am so happy that I ordered those mystery boxes. So happy. So let's score. Now I am only going to do one score. I'm not going to do two separate scores for these. So we're going to do the Bath Bevy. Experience is a 10. The quality and the value. So the value is a 10. There's no quality is going to be hard, you guys, because okay, I'm going to judge it based on my first impressions here, and I would say quality. I'm going to go with an 8. Let's see here. Retention, usability. This is one of those hard ones, kind of like makeup and beauty. You use them as much as you use them. The tub things, I mean, heck yeah, I'm going to use those. The steamers, I'm going to use them. The soaps, I'm going to use them. The body wash, I'm going to use them. So retention, usability, I'm going to give it an 8. And then that gets us to the uniqueness. So the uniqueness, I would have to judge those based, well, I don't feel like it's just product alone, because the Bougie Wash is unique with the like shimmery to it. The bath things, I like the stickers that she has put on each of the boxes. That's neat. I'm going to go with 8. So that gave us, all right, 44 out of 50. So another excellent score, you guys. So just like several other unboxers out there has already said, I think off the top of my head, I can think of at least 3, if not 4, have all given props to this box. And you guys, they are 100% correct. As always, that's why they're the OGs. So, okay, thank you everyone for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed these mystery boxes. I hope that you see the value, and maybe you are now interested in going out and getting you a Bath Bevy box all on your own. So take care, have a great week, and we will see each other again soon. Bye everyone.